But now we need to handle that on our to-do container. Let's go to the component, and what we're going to want to do is create a handler on this component to handle when that event is fired. So aura handler event equals c colon to do delete task, and action equals, and we're going to want to create a controller. So for now we can just do c dot handle delete task. Okay, so let's create that, and I'll just copy that, paste that here. Okay, so save both of those. Now, just to prove that this event is working, we'll just do an alert here. Delete it. And then we'll save that. Okay, so refresh. We create a task. When we hit the delete button, we see deleted. Okay, so that's wired up. Let's go back. Now we want to get our current list of tasks. We want to remove the proper one, and then we want to set the list of tasks. Okay, so first off, let's just get that, and that is component.get b dot, and if we look at our to-do container, we want to get tasks, and we need to set that to const tasks equals, and then save that. And now we want to remove the proper one. So we're also going to need to get the array index. We can do that by calling event dot get param array index. Okay, so let's call that const array index equals event dot get param. So when that event is coming through, when that event is fired, it's passed to this handle delete task function, and we're able to get the parameter or attributes from that event. So we now know the array index. Now we need to remove the proper task from that array. Okay, so let's change this to let, because we'll be modifying it. And what we can do is tasks dot splice array index 1. Okay, now we need to set the list of tasks again. So we can do component dot set v dot tasks, and then we want to set it to this tasks variable, and save that. So let's refresh. Test 1, test 2, and test 3. If we click delete, we get rid of that, and then we get rid of that. Perfect. Cool. So congrats on writing your first app. Now we have a lot of refactoring to do. We'll get into some of it, but this is just an introductory course, so I really wanted to keep it as simple as possible just so you could get familiar with the Lightning environment.